Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mujtaba Driving School. My name is Mujtaba. I'm a fully qualified driving instructor, and I'm going to do a video about how to deal with the roundabout and how to join the slip road to M25, and also how to change lane and overtake other cars in motorway or dual carriageway. So stay tuned and let's have a look. The roundabout is coming now. So at this roundabout, this is M25 junction 24. So we're gonna approaching near Butcher's Bar, and we are turning right at the roundabout, third exit to the right. So what do we need to do? Ultimate guide to the roundabout and how to deal with it step by step safely. So number one is mirrors, and two is signaling, then positioning, then slow speed, then continue following MSBSL routine. So here the roundabout here. So I'm gonna check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right. I'm going to position myself to the right and slow speed, look to the right early, position myself to the right and slow speed, look to the right early. And where's the black car going? It's not coming here. Okay, so continue. We stay to the right lane, closer to the curb but not hitting the curb. Give ourselves a meter. That's the first exit to the left side. So we're going M25. On the floor says M25 as well, and not too bad. M25 is good, it's looking good at the moment. And this part of the roundabout control with the traffic light. Then when it's safe, we can go. Okay, second exit is going to go towards Butcher's Bar. Now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. Okay, so now leave the signal on, and we're going to join the slip road. So now leave the signal on, now center mirror and cancel signal. Now build up at a speed. This is how to join the M motorway on the slip road M25. So now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and then build up your speed. Build up my speed. So I'm going to check to the right shoulder first, and then if it's safe, continue. Now I'm going to speed up, and I'm going to overtake this caravan. So now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and check my shoulder. If it's safe, then continue. That's for overtake one car. Now, so my speed is at the moment 64. The speed is limit at the motorway is 70. So now my speed is 66. So let's see. At the moment is that motorway is a bit busy. So if I see opportunity, I'm gonna change my lane again to the right hand side and overtake again. So now, when the red cars get closer to me behind me, now I'm gonna check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right now, and then check again 1, 2, 3. Then I can change my lane. Okay, good. So now speed up. So this is how change lanes safely and overtake. Somebody, one of my student, and commented on my YouTube, said requested actually to do overtake, how to do overtake. That's video is for him, and for anybody else is benefiting how to drive in the motorway and change lane. Now I'm going to change my lane back to the left hand side. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and change my lane safely. Good, I'm here now. So I'm in the lane 2. So the reason why I'm in lane 2, because lane 1, which is left lane, is busy with the truck, and the truck going slow. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my lane back to the right hand side, because the van in front of me going a little bit slow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it safely. Okay, so now at the moment next to me is a BMW. I can't do that, it's very close to me, right? So now another white car right behind me, so I'm not going to change my lane. So now center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and then look now, the silver car came very quickly, so I didn't change my lane. So now I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Now again he's too close, so I'm too close as well, so I'm just going to stay back. Now check my center mirror, right mirror, then when it's safe, signal, and then you can go. So at the moment I can't go again, so create more gap. Center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Yes, so maybe going to change my lane again to the right side. So center mirror, right mirror, signal, right? Change my lane to the right hand side. Now I'm in the fast line. So I'm doing 70 miles an hour at the moment. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my lane back to the left hand side when it's safe to do so. At the moment, I'm not holding anybody. So I'm doing 70 now at the moment, but I'm not holding anybody. If somebody comes fast behind me, I will change my lane when it's safe to do so. At the moment, I'm in the very fast line, so I'm staying here. It's safe, so that's fine, no problem at all. The white car came in front of me, so that's fine, good. So now, speed up. Right, so I'm going to speed up 70 and then see. I'm going to change my lane to the left now. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and if it's safe, come to the left side. There you go. That's how you overtake safely. Okay, so now you speed up again, 70. So now center mirror, right mirror, right. So see if I can change my lane. So now soon I'm going to leave the M25. So slowly I need to change my back to the lane to the left hand side. So what I'm going to do, center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Not yet, I'm going to signal later on. So now again, center mirror, left mirror, signal left. I'm going to signal left now, and look, if it's safe I can go. Now again I'm going to go back to the left again, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and check if it's safe, then I can go. Beautiful. Now slow down because the lorry in front of me, keep the gap nicely. There you go. Okay, so this is how you change your lane safely and overtake the cars. So now we're just leaving the M25, we're going towards A10. So I already done my mirror signal and position myself to the left, so I don't need to do anything at the moment. This left lane will literally take me to the left hand side, and that's how it should be done safely. Okay, so now when I leave this part, then again I will check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left to leave it. Okay, so now mirrors, gentle brake because the lorry is slowing down in front of me. So now center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and we're going here, left, 1, 2, 3, then beautifully here. There you go. Now cancel signal, then continue. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you found this video useful, how to deal with a roundabout and how to join the M25 and how to overtake safely and how to leave the M25 safely. And I hope you found this video useful, and please like, share, subscribe for more video like this. And if you got any requests, please let me know. I'm happy to video for you. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm going to change my lane to